Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to sign out of your Prime Video account in your PC browser. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface of Prime Video. Well, there are lots of videos that you can look around, but right now we simply want to sign out. At the top on the navbar, in the rightmost section, you will find your profile picture along with your username. Just hover over it and something like this will open up. And as you can see, here's profiles, add accounts and everything. We just want to sign out, and do note that you can add a new profile from right here as well. Simply click on the button and then you'll be able to add a new profile. But right now, what you want to do is simply click on the sign out button. Once you click on it, you will directly be logged out of your Prime Video account. It won't ask for your confirmation or anything. That's it guys, that's how we log out of Prime Video. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.